Here's a really cold start of a 2013 Lexus CT200. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. Welcome back to the channel. Yeah, I am in a really cold Lexus CT200H. Yeah, it needs maintenance, and I love taking this car to go get maintenance because I get to see all the brand new Lexuses. And every once in a while they'll give me a loaner, even if it's just for a basic maintenance, which is what this is going for. Yeah, I just got back from SoCal and already gonna be back on the road, but not for that long. But yeah, it is cold. I mean, even SoCal was a little bit cold on the last day I was there, so I don't think it even reached 70 at some point. Today it's not gonna reach 70 here in the Bay Area, so yeah, butt warmer on for sure. Let's see what kind of cars we catch on camera when we head there to Lexus, and maybe even the nearby dealerships. So yeah. All right, we have arrived to Lexus. You know, I saw the other dealerships and you could see the effects of, you know, not many inventory, but Lexus looks like they're doing strong. A little empty spots here and there, but not as bad as the other dealerships. Actually, yeah, there's a lot of space, but yeah, nonetheless, still better than other places. Ooh, RCF, what's up? Look what we have up front. Really nice gray LS 430. Wow, look at this thing. This thing's incredible. Look at this. Won't have to go to any hotel, just stay in your car. The GX 460. Dang, this is cool. There's the interior in that. So clean. Look what we have here. Shout out to my friend Vanessa. She actually is trying to get this car, and yeah, so cool that I get to see it in person, just in case she doesn't get it. I hope she gets it. Look, carbon fiber lip up front. We'll definitely do a carbon fiber hood on this. It's 2020, so it's not that old. That's crazy. It's out here already. And yeah, it's going for 86.9. Oh, that's cool right here too. This is carbon fiber. Yeah, she's a little dirty. It was a bit moist here in the Bay Area, I think, while I was in LA. So, or in Orange County, I should say. And then look, carbon fiber roof. Tail lights just, I don't know, they look so mean, menacing. Got the quad exhaust, the carbon fiber diffuser on it as well. Almost certain this thing is not open. Of course, it's outside, but it'd be nice to look at the interior. Hard to see, but it's like black and red. You got the Alcantara or suede in there as well, and you got me, my reflection. Why the hell am I wearing a mask outside? But anywho, let's see what else we find. Now look, you can get a brand new, it's a RC 350. It's got the F Sport, and yeah, you're talking about a $30,000 difference on these, and it's still really nice. Look at that, really nice. Wow, yeah. I'm a fan of Lexus's grills, like the aggressive big grill. Looks way better than the BMW one. And then there's these that's slightly different, still big and aggressive, but not quite the same. And I love that they do it to their SUVs as well. Now, I know I'm not in the market for an SUV or any car right now at the moment, but man, this color is really nice. Of course, I would do white, but just seeing this one gives me a lot of ideas. Go something like this, or go like a Stelvio instead, Quadrifoglio. All right, back in the CT. Another look at that LS 430 in gray. That's nice. Yeah, check out the old SC. Got the garage full of Lexuses. Yeah, really nice. Really loving the brand, like how they look. Check out the old school, the Altezza, the IS300. Get a look again at the RCF. Hopefully Vanessa can get it. Just like last time, we're gonna check out Porsche, see if we find anything cool here. Right through the glass. Ooh, got a nice M5 there. There's a cute cat right there. Got a GT4, really nice old 911T. Yeah, the plan is that if someone says anything, I'm just be like, oh, play dumb and say I went the wrong way. But another nice one there. Got another look of the GT4 and the 911T. The cat's not there anymore. Woo. Super sick. I need to get a Porsche again. Just want too many cars, man. I need to start making more money off this YouTube. Look at the Toyota dealership. This is what I'm talking about. Look at that empty lot, just super empty. Yeah, it's crazy. This thing used to be packed. Now there's barely anything here. We're gonna stop by the Honda dealership real quick because check out this check out the C7 Z06. super sick. And then we got, I don't know if it's a C5 or C6. Oh, crazy. I never knew there was a Hyundai back here. It's like, oh, all this time, it's just hiding back here. The Nissan dealership has a Cayman, a Lexus, and a Maserati. All right, so I heard Chick-fil-A has good breakfast. We'll give that a shot. Shout out to my friend Suzanne. She's the one that told me about it. Let's see. All right, so it turns out the breakfast menu ends at 10:30. It is 10:52. That's a shame. Next time, I'll try it out. But in the meantime, you can't say no to Chick-fil-A, and I can't reverse out of the drive-thru, and I'm not gonna wait in this drive-thru for nothing. So we're getting chicken sandwich. All right, Chick-fil-A secured, but cup holders are empty. Time to go to Phil's. You guys hear all those birds? It's crazy. It's wild out there. But anyways, got my Phil's fix. Went with something cold this time. Yeah, I just wanted you guys to hear all those birds. It's like so quiet in here now. But anyways, that's gonna do it for today. Just a quick little vlog taking the Lexus for maintenance. Still gotta take the LS 430 there for maintenance, but I think in the future I may not take it to Lexus and try to do some things on my own, or maybe through a friend or something. But this first time around, I do want to take it there for them to give it like a really good inspection, since when I bought it, you know, I really didn't do that. So, and also I think the RX also needs maintenance. So we'll be back to Lexus. Hopefully we won't see the RCF there next time we go, and hopefully Vanessa is able to pick it up. That's a lot of hopes. So yeah, if you guys like the video, make sure to give that a thumbs up. Share it with anyone that might like this type of content. If you haven't done so, please subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later. You guys hear all those birds? It's crazy.